Looking for the best drones of 2025? Whether it's 4K video, long flight time, or pro-level features, we've got you covered. In this countdown, we're showcasing the top 5 best drones packed with cutting-edge tech and powerful performance. Don't miss out. Check the links in the description for the best deals. Let's dive in. Rocket. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Potensic ATOM 3-axis gimbal 4K GPS drone, a lightweight powerhouse that packs serious features for both beginners and pros. Weighing under 249 g, this drone bypasses FAA registration in many regions, making it ultra-convenient for travelers and hobbyists alike. Equipped with a 3-axis gimbal and 4K/30 FPS camera, it delivers silky smooth footage, capturing breathtaking aerial shots with professional-grade stability. Whether you're filming scenic landscapes or action-packed adventures, this drone ensures crystal-clear quality. Flight time? A whopping 96 minutes with its 3 intelligent batteries. And with a 6 km max transmission range, you can explore the skies like never before. Its GPS-assisted flight and visual tracking features allow it to follow subjects effortlessly, making cinematic shots a breeze. Designed for ease of use, the Quick Shots mode lets you execute dynamic moves with just a tap, while its lightweight build makes it ultra-portable. If you're after a high-quality drone without breaking the bank, the Potensic ATOM is a solid pick. Taking the number 4 spot is the DJI Mavic 3 Pro, a flagship triple-camera drone that redefines aerial photography and videography. With a powerful 4.3 CMOS Hasselblad camera, this drone delivers stunning 4K visuals with breathtaking color accuracy and dynamic range. Whether you're shooting cinematic landscapes or high-action sequences, the Hasselblad technology ensures unmatched image quality. But that's not all. This drone features a triple camera system, including a medium telephoto and a 166mm telephoto lens. This means you get unparalleled zoom capabilities, allowing you to capture distant subjects with crystal clear detail. With a 43-minute flight time, you can stay in the air longer, capturing more incredible footage without constant battery swaps. Plus, with 15 km HD video transmission, you'll experience smooth, uninterrupted live feeds even at long distances. The Mavic 3 Pro is FAA Remote ID compliant, meaning it meets the latest regulations for safe flying. Whether you're a seasoned pilot or an aspiring filmmaker, this drone is a game-changer in the industry. Taking the number 3 spot is the Veeniix V11PRO, a high-performance drone designed for serious aerial photographers and content creators. Equipped with an 8K camera, this drone delivers breathtaking ultra-high-definition images that capture every detail with stunning clarity. The 4K/30 FPS video recording ensures smooth footage, making it perfect for cinematic shots. One of its standout features is the 3-axis gimbal stabilization system, which eliminates unwanted shakes and vibrations, ensuring buttery smooth footage even in challenging conditions. Combined with a half CMOS sensor, this drone excels in low-light environments, providing professional-grade shots day or night. With an impressive 80-minute flight time using 2 long-lasting batteries, you'll have more than enough air time to capture the perfect shots. Plus, with a 6 km video transmission range, you can explore vast landscapes without losing connection. Whether you're an adventurer, filmmaker, or drone enthusiast, the Veeniix V11PRO is a powerful, feature-packed choice that elevates your aerial photography game. Coming in at number 2, we have the Autel Robotics EVO 2 Pro V3, a powerhouse drone designed for professionals who demand precision, clarity, and cutting-edge technology. At its core, this drone features a Sony 1-inch CMOS sensor, capable of capturing stunning 6K HDR video with incredible detail and dynamic range. Whether you're shooting landscapes, night scenes, or high-speed action, the Moonlight Algorithm 2.0 and Max ISO 44000 ensure unparalleled low-light performance. The 12-bit DNG RAW format gives content creators maximum flexibility in post-production, allowing for richer colors and deeper shadows. Plus, with a massive 15 km transmission range, you can explore further than ever before while maintaining a crystal clear live feed. For safety, the 360 degrees obstacle avoidance system keeps your flight worry-free, even in complex environments. And with an impressive 40-minute flight time, you'll have plenty of air time to capture the perfect shot. The Autel Robotics EVO 2 Pro V3 is aerial innovation at its finest. Taking the top spot on our list is the DJI Air 3 Fly More Combo, a game-changing drone that pushes the boundaries of aerial photography and videography. This power-packed machine boasts dual primary cameras, including a wide-angle lens and a 3x medium telephoto lens, allowing you to capture breathtaking 4K video with cinematic precision. With 48MP photo capability, your shots will be crystal clear and full of detail, making every moment picture perfect. One of its biggest advantages? The Fly More Combo. You get 3 batteries, extending your total flight time and ensuring you never miss the perfect shot. Plus, its FAA remote ID compliance means it's future-proof and ready for any regulations. And let's talk about reliability. DJI's next-gen obstacle sensing system keeps your flight safe and smooth, even in challenging environments. Whether you're a travel vlogger, filmmaker, or drone enthusiast, the DJI Air 3 is the ultimate choice for 2025. That wraps up our top 5 best drones of 2025. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome tech reviews.